It's me, Missy Reject, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the blog is up. I post every day. Um, any request or anything you want to make for the blog, you can email me at my MySpace, or you can leave it here, on this video comments, and everything should be on the sidebar, which should be on this side. I'm not sure though. And I know today we just did a 50s inspired look, and then tomorrow we will be doing a Helena inspired look, the makeup on the girl, the dancing girl out of the My Chemical Romance CD. Sorry, not CD, music video for Helena. But that's it. I think just get to me on my MySpace. The link's over there. I think, yeah. The link's over there, and the MySpace is www.myspace.com/Missy_reject. And you can check out my other sites, vampirefreaks.com/Missy_reject. Or I have a blog TV that I'm on occasionally with Casey Shaw, which is blogtv.com/Tubby91. And then I also have mine, which is blogtv.com/MissyReject. So please, I'd love to hear from you. Mwah. Bye bye.